Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be decorating my dining room table for Mother's Day, and I have some really cute ideas that I think you're going to love. So let's get into today's video. First, let's take a look at some of the items that I may or may not use for this tablescape. I'm going to be using my dishes here that I actually got when I got married. So they're 34 years old and I still love them. Then I have some faux flowers from around the house, and I also purchased some fresh flowers as well. I love to mix both of real and faux to give a fuller look to the table, and it also is a little bit cheaper than just buying all real. Then I have some other little items from around my home and a couple of little special surprises that I'm going to be showing later on, so be sure to stick around to watch to see what I do with those.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old.
So my inspiration for this tablescape was certainly the time of year in May when all the flowers are starting to bloom. So I wanted to do like a spring garden, floral garden party. So I'm just going to be mixing some real tulips here with some of my faux florals that I have from around the house and just cascading them down the table runner, across the table, and just putting out a lot of different florals to just make it like a real little garden.
Tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. Me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. just smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out.
So now I'm going to start doing the place settings, and I am using the china that I got when I got married. So it is 34 years old, and it's got these little subtle pink flowers on it. I still love it. This wine glass is a gift from my best friend Diane, who painted these for me years ago, and I just love them, and I thought they would be the perfect addition to this floral tablescape.
You say that I'm crazy, it's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven.
So then I was trying to decide what I wanted to use. Did I want to use my white linen napkins or these pretty paper napkins that I found at our local dollar store? And in the end, I decided to go with the paper napkins just because I loved the color of them, and I thought they tied in so nicely with my plates and with all the florals on the table. Then I found these adorable succulents at my grocery store, and I decided to use them on each place setting as a little gift for my guests to take home, and I love the way they looked here. Now for the place card holder, because we're in lockdown, I can't shop, so I brought out my Christmas ones, and what I did was just wrapped one of my faux florals around it to cover up the snowflake. And now the special little touch to each place setting. I found old pictures down in our box of pictures from the past and dug out some, my daughter, my mom, my sister-in-law, and I'm going to use those as the name cards in the place card holders and put them at each place setting. And I thought this was such a cute and special way to bring back memories. We can all laugh and remember when these pictures were taken. And if my daughter, my mom, or my sister-in-law want to take these home with them, they're more than welcome to. But I thought that was such a sweet little touch and will bring back so many memories on this special day.
Your house brings out the wild. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you. I got a little crush on you.
And now here's a look at my finished table, and I just love it. I think it looks exactly like what I wanted it to, just a spring floral extravaganza. I love the touches of the little succulents on each place setting, and of course my place card holders with the pictures. I think this is just going to make my guests really smile when they come over for brunch. hope you enjoyed this video on how I created my Mother's Day tablescape. It's bringing me so much joy, and I can't wait to share it with my family. I also wanted to mention that on Thursday at 3 p.m. I will be sharing a video of one of our favorite family desserts. I make it at Christmas time and on special occasions, and it's one of our favorites. It's so easy and so delicious. So I hope to see you back on Thursday at 3 p.m. So thank you so much for spending some of your time with me, and if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join me each week as I share more things home related. And until I talk to you in my next video, guys, I hope you have a wonderful week. Bye.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky.